Right, so first time doing this trail on a hardtail. I'm thinking really what to expect here. Jesus Christ. That corner's tight. Catches me every single time. Oh, slippy there. Just gonna still take the goggles off for now, because the last time I was down here and I had my wee OTB incident doing the bitch. Fucking hell. Oh, you had bastard. I can see when my dad tells me he doesn't ride this one on the hardtail. Oh yeah. That was probably the slowest run I've ever done doing that trail. At this point, whatever. I actually felt kind of smooth. So, aye. No, my bike today, on my dad's Bird Zero. Never done that trail on the hardtail before, so it's a first. Jesus Christ. It's wet there. Oh! I felt my foot slip off the pedal back there. Can't mind this big old dirty compression's coming up here. Hi. There it is. Fucking hell. That unit's actual massive, man. It is huge. Oh, fucking hell. Hit the roughest line through all that. Oh. Jesus, this thing is rough. Ooh. Thing steers like a boat as well. Alright then, so I'm gonna just drop into XX bitch and Ponduro here. Got a different line of mind here today. Oh, Jesus fuck. Wow, a puddle. It's a rare thing right now. Oh, ow, slide into that. Jesus! Ah. Ow! Ah, see what took me out last time? Is this wee rock sticking out of the ground here? Mate, that rock is, that's a recent development. Oh, trying not to take super rough line. Ooh. Whoa. Alright then. That isn't too bad. Right. Let's see how Ponduro goes. Jesus. Wow. Well, that was slow, but was a lot cleaner than last time. Nah, dude, last time I honestly thought I was going to die doing that. And I had this big mental block about doing it again today, so I'm glad I done it. And we got past it. We got past the mental block. It's really scary how a big near crash can totally like ruin your like thought perception of trail. Because like, see, years ago I would, well, no, years ago, see, like about 6 months ago I'd never ride this place without skipping out that trail. And well, 6 months before lockdown anyway. And like today I was just like, oh, I don't know if I'm going to do Ponduro. I might do something else, but I'm glad that I pushed myself into it. Jesus fuck. Oh. Jesus fucking hell. Holy shit. Whoa. Oh man, that was good. Oh. They came when I'm absolutely silent. You know, that's when the concentration game's on. Oh, that has had some serious work done. Don't know how long it's going to stay there for, because the Forestry Commission had a bit of a spat with the trail builders, so it might not be there for much longer. So if you have not ridden it, get yourself up here and get that trail ridden. There's another belter just along there, Careless Whisper, and just before Careless there is another trail, a new one called Skullduggery, another new trail that basically feeds into Careless Whisper called Thunderstruck. That unit's absolutely superb. Man, I am happy with that. I wish I went up and done Thunderstruck too, because the conditions in there, I feel like it's quite dry today. So aye man, that was, honestly I am absolutely pumped on that. That was amazing. I think I'm maybe going to go up and get another run of a different trail. So aye, I'll see you guys in the next one. Oh you fucker. Here we go. Ah, it's all overgrown still. I can't wait for these nettles to start dying off like. Jesus. There we go. Oh. Oh man. into these last turns. Whoa! The rock about knocked me off there. Whoa! Jesus fuck! Man, every time I do these corners I'm getting worse and worse at them. I see the last two, they are so tight. And very, very tight. Leave your opinions in the comments below. What do you guys think of the trails? Still trying to figure out the best hardtail route for this place. I've definitely got a few other trails that I can work in to make the ultimate hardtail route here, but I'm slowly trying to crack it, and I think I've found a lot of good trails for it today. I think those are all really solid trails for doing on a hardtail. Aye, they're all really good trails for doing a hardtail, so I can do, get a big ride, try and work in some more. I'll see you guys then. Take it easy, lads. Peace.